Gonna start in with GoPro. Nice walk with dog. Luna. Are we here? Yeah? How about? Yeah. We here? Nearly. Luna. No, been good, wasn't it? And you're crashing on video. We've got all on now, Chanel trying to park. Right, now the dry bit there, look. Go in the dry bit first.
Yeah, whatever.
What's Mummy doing?
Trying to get
Oh, get that.
you.
First stop.
We're not pooing in the car.
Chanel, Luna's pooed straight away. And Rory. Alright, telling them brakes. Luna, girl. Beautiful. Where's it, Luna? Water? Come on then. Come on in. Good deal. Smile. Don't fall off, Haribo. She's loving it now, look. Nice old girl. Hey. Is it, girl? Come on then, in. There's no chance. No chance. Bloody lovely. Oh. You all tired? Yeah? Luna's not. And Mummy?
Having a drink.
Something.
Sit down, don't you?
Fish spotting over there. Oh no, it's not. It's a coot. In my other pocket. Could you imagine coming out and kids not crying? Hey!
You want to sit down?
Lovely Sunday walk. And they just want to sit down and cry. Another bridge, Haribo? Yeah.
What is it?
It's a ball down there, mate, that is. Well then, Wizzy.
That's here, that's here, that's here.
What is it?
Here. A bat.
What's a bat?
There's herons here.
There's herons here. And fish here.
A great plastic weed,
Fish
wasn't
here.
it?
A goose.
A goose?
Yeah.
Swan?
It's a swan.
Swan. And a butterfly. And
What's this one?
Carp.
carp.
Old English.
Is there crocodiles in here?
No.
No crocodiles, mate. You can get him a nice swim if you want, find out. What do you reckon? No? Oh, I've got a Zim Zimmer. Go on, babe.
They're not going to ride it, then I will.
Old Speedy Gonzales. Go on then, babe. Tell her.
Come on, Mummy. Have a race with me.
Out of the way, Luna. Come on.
He's pushing me. Oh no, over that ramp.
Boo! Quit laughing now.
Moving. He's put everywhere I go.
Bloody girl. Yay. I don't think Luna likes one. Just like that, we're back. Steady walk on a Sunday done. Kids are tired. Home time. Home time. Get dinner on. Say yeah, boy.